Hello everyone, I'm here with an exclusive Hostinger review. Hostinger is a company which I have been using for like 2 years, and based on my successful experience working with Hostinger, which is why I recommend everyone to go with Hostinger based on my personal experience. And in case if you plan to buy hosting from Hostinger, make sure to use the link in the description, which is like this. Once you click on that link, you are going to get an exclusive discount. Even further, I'm going to tell you an exclusive amazing discount code which can further give you discount on the current deals of Hostinger which you got from the link in the description. So it's a win-win, two deals, two policies together. So but before I start, I like to tell you that I'm personally using Hostinger and I'm very satisfied with it, and I'm using for my main blog. And if you ask me what kind of hosting plans Hostinger offers, if you look on Hostinger, Hostinger has web hosting plans, Hostinger has cloud hosting, Hostinger has WordPress hosting, Hostinger has hosting for professionals. And Hostinger also offers VPS hosting, panel hosting, Minecraft hosting. For people like you, me, Hostinger web hosting plans are sufficient to use. Even if you plan to create to host a WordPress based website, I recommend you to go with the web hosting, because in web hosting plan you can also host WordPress website. And even if you're a professional, even then I recommend you to go with the web hosting because it's cheaper and economical. Hosting for professionals or WordPress hosting is a slightly expensive. And in case if you have a large scale website, then you can do the cloud hosting. It's all optional in case if you want to go with the cloud hosting. It's all to the personal preference, but you know that you can see that the plans are slightly expensive. But if you click on the link in the description, you are going to get exclusive discount for that as well. So right now over here is that with you see three plans Hostinger has: single web hosting, premium web hosting, with business web hosting. If you ask me which plan is good for you, I recommend to go with the premium web hosting plan, because in this plan you have the ability to host 100 websites. In the basic plan you can host only one website. You don't know, you may need to host an additional website, so it's always a better idea to go with a plan where you can host additional websites. And 100 GB SSD storage is sufficient. If you ask me, this 50 GB is sufficient as well. But the only downside of this plan is that you get a single website. Another downside is that you do not get a free domain here. So in this plan you get a free domain as well. You also get free SSL, you also get free weekly backups, you also get cloud protected name servers, malware scanner, free email, website builder, different services, manage WordPress. You in all of their plans you get a 30 days money back guarantee, you get a 24/7 support, and you also get 99.9% uptime guarantee. So if you ask me on the business web hosting plan, you get a 200 GB storage. I mean 100 is fine as well. Go with only and until your website is a big or huge. So I do not recommend it for everyone, because you have to pay more for it, $1 more per month for it. So in case if your requirement is not huge, then go with a premium. Otherwise business web hosting is fine as well. You also get daily backups here. In this plan you get a weekly backups. So in case if you are also concerned regarding data, and if your data is very important and you cannot compromise on daily basis, then you can even offer this business web hosting plan as well. And you can see that the managed WordPress option is available in all of the plans. So there is no need to go with the WordPress hosting, because you can host the managed WordPress even on the basic hosting plan. In case if you look on the WordPress hosting, it's a slightly more expensive here, and you can host single website, and you cannot host any other thing except WordPress, which is why I recommend you to go with these plans, because you can host other stuff as well over here, CMS systems, email support, or the requirements over here as well. If you ask me on the reviews, Hostinger got one of the finest reviews in the industry, with Trust Score rating it as a 4.6, Google rating it as a 4.8 based on 1237 reviews, and Host Advice rating at 4.5, and WP Beginner as 4.7, making it one of the preferred hosting company in the town. My recommendations are to go with the Hostinger. I personally like it. And another thing about Hostinger is that they have data centers all around the world, so you have an ability to choose either of the data center for your needs. They have data centers in USA, UK, France, India, Singapore, Brazil, Lithuania, and Netherlands. So you have an option to host in Europe, Singapore, India, France, UK, and USA. So that is a very good thing about it. They also provide you with dedicated support, 24/7 email and live chat support service. And in case if you have a website hosted somewhere else and you are not satisfied with the experience over there. If you host your website with Hostinger, they have an option of free migration where you can transfer your website using the free automatic website migration tool, and their agents are going to help you to get the process done within right 24 hours of buying hosting from Hostinger, and you get immediate access to hosting once you buy from here through the link in the description, and you get a special discount. I'm going to also tell you the discount code, so you have to stay with me in this video because I'm going to tell you. And you can see the featured client stories over here. So now the story is, in case if you have clicked on the link in the description like this, what you have to do is you click on the link in the description like this, and once you open the link, what you have to do is you have to click on the claim deal, go with the add to cart option. Like I told, the plan, this is the plan by default they have set on it. And now what you are going to do is okay, you can pay through multiple methods. You can pay through credit card, you can pay through PayPal, you can pay through Google Pay, you can pay through Alipay, you can pay through CoinGate. In case if you have any cryptocurrencies, you can pay through cryptocurrencies as well. So what you have to do is you have to click in the have a coupon code here, and I'm going to tell you an exclusive code for my audience over here, through which you can get an amazing discount, and that is ALIRAZAMARKETING marketing. So just apply it and make sure that this only applies to those people who have clicked on the link in the description, and select the apply button, and then you can see that even you've got further discount. So it's like a 2 discounts in a same deal. So it's a win-win situation for anyone who is looking to buy the hosting from Hostinger. And you just have to write your name, credit card details, and select the submit secure button. And you can also create your account over here. In case if your account is not yet created, you can write your email address over here, or you can simply log into your Google or Facebook accounts, and they will connect, Hostinger will connect it with the Hostinger account. So I hope you like it, and thank you for watching, and looking forward to work with Hostinger. Thank you, and bye bye.